Ready?
Damn.
Excellent work, Varga.
Blizzard Mountain by AquaFrost. AquaFrost does some really neat environments and games. So.
Ooh.
It's an Obby.
And you know what? I'm okay with it being before Thanksgiving.
Oh, I see.
You know what I'm
Because it's
saying?
winter themed.
Yeah.
I believe AquaFrost is one of our creators who comes from Fortnite Creative. Is that right? Oh, hey, K-Man Kevin.
Ooh, splash screen.
Up here.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute and magical. And I'm sure the gameplay is about to wreck me though.
I love that the streams are now because the quests are an hour early.
Yeah,
because of daylight saving time.
Oh!
So now we can actually do our quests as the streams are going.
Nice. You better
Yay.
get going. Okay, add fresh snow to this
Checkpoint!
snowman. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Okay, and here are my thoughts on the Fortnite creative creators. What I have seen from them has truly blown my mind. And as a community, they are very encouraging, supportive, and wholesome of one another's endeavors, even if it isn't in their game engine of choice. It like blows my mind how nice these people are to each other. That's all I gotta say.
That sounds like Core. I like it.
Yeah, truly. They have a
Support everyone.
really sweet community going. Okay. Let's see. Christmas style already. Yep, he's getting a head start. Oop, present for me. Thank you.
Present for me.
A way to restart your timer?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I don't think there is.
Well, I could have sworn I reset it earlier, and then now I can't.
Well, get good, Nicholas.
Okay, director of player
Creator
player
success.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, toss it. I'm not gonna
I
let that
must
one down.
say, you think I've been sabotaging your promotion for player success. You've also been killing me every game we get into. So who's the real saboteur
I
here?
think it should be called creator of player.
I'm trying to teach you how to play better by doing that. Oh, I keep falling on the same spot. See, I got to be able to be better than I am to be helping others out of player.
Oh, just know that some of the checkpoints spawn you backwards. I almost went backwards.
Oop. Oop.
Yep.
Just lost like 10 seconds.
Oh, teleport checkpoint. Don't mind if
No,
I
no,
do.
no. Oh.
And these are Christmas crackers?
And
Oh,
cheese?
man, I forgot one of the checkpoints, so I'm just going without any checkpoint.
Eat.
Wow, so
No!
getting in a kind of holiday game early, AquaFrost is going to have a lot of time to polish this.
I know,
The
right?
actual holidays.
Oh, I keep falling off. Got
Then
it.
don't.
Yes, my
speedrunner,
favorite
like,
logical path.
This game is already looking amazing for a speedrun.
Ah,
Ooh. Have you,
Speedrun tournament again for this game?
are you finding optimized lines and skips?
Not yet. Like I said, you first have to go slow at the game and play it, and then you analyze
No!
the lines.
Speedrunning is an iterative process.
Geometry, lines.
And then for those that don't know, the bronze sword won our Tower of Terror portion of, or was it? No, it was Tower of Terror. Yes,
Yeah,
it was
Tower of Terror.
Yeah, and then
facts.
for our first player tourney, and then actually Nick Foreman is the one who created Tower of Terror, and he's in call with us as well.
Boom.
All right. Okay, if I make it past this point, this will be the farthest I have ever done. Right? Right? What the? What? I don't like that. Okay.
I didn't mind doing a thing. It's like multiple core game speedrun where like you have to do multiple games in a single run. That'd be kind of cool to do.
Oh, that part explodes. That's neat. Okay. And what? Oh, dang. I feel like I'm getting. I don't want to blame the lag, but
Woo!
something does not feel normal here. Okay.
The other thing I love about this game is that it uses default physics. And no offense, Nick.
Okay.
Oh my god! Oh. Now Peppers is tracking poo throughout the apartment.
Oh,
What is
no.
happening?
No.
This is like the worst day to be a pet owner. Something is wrong with this cat. Oh. What do I do?
Peppers, you're not distracting the correct core streamer.
That's true.
Yeah. Come. Oh no. Oh, girl, you better not. Ugh. Okay, this is actually a predicament I have not been in before.
I failed to start without dying.
Yeah, at least this isn't happening
Oh, I saw that.
last stream where Peppers was on cam.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no.
The booty cam.
Yeah. Clean it up, Buckmonster cover for her. Yeah, I think.
Ah!
I just
No!
knew it when I saw her shoot out of the bathroom where we keep her litter box.
Oh no.
There's a. Oh.
Why did it not? The checkpoint didn't say boo.
Wait, is there a spectate cam here? We might. Okay.
No, stop it. Ugh. No!
Right back.
That was ass.
GG.
Yeah, what the hell is this? Hmm.
Is there a way to restart now? Let's see.
You just gotta rejoin.
I'm like in an ice area. Actually, yeah, I think I do have to rejoin. Or
What? Oh, that's best.
Yeah.
Oh, I think there's a point where you can die and you progress.
Try that.
Like you die, and then you go to the next checkpoint
Yay.
towards the beginning.
Oh no, there's more.
They're vampire.
I want that little soundbite. Oh no, there's more.
Yeah.
But wait, there's more.
Yeah. If you die on the second checkpoint, you go right to the third checkpoint. No, the fourth. Go to the fourth checkpoint.
That's the speedrunner strat.
It is.
Strat.
It's like, so I think right now Nick said that like there's like the kill void, and then it spawns you in a further checkpoint.
Yeah, that's normally a bug that would get fixed. So
Unless you're
Not too
a
much
really
hope.
old game.
yeah, true. But I mean, Core's not old.
That's true.
How do
I thought it was.
It's. I think if you count close, I think.
Hmm. Oh yeah.
I don't know.
And
how
then
to
when did
reset my
Core go into
progress.
open? Gotcha. And then when does it go into beta?
Your mama date. Oh yeah.
It was worth a shot.
Right?
Thank you,
No.
Marzipan, for letting me know I was muted. and Boo Radley. If you're just tuning in, we've had some feline mishaps. Maybe Peppers was salty that she wasn't the co-host again today,
Oh.
and she's acting out.
Maybe. Well, that didn't work.
Let's see. And then Maria says, patch notes mentioned beta, so maybe they're getting closer to a transition. Ooh, good eye. It was actually in reference to our mesh merging feature, which is coming out with tomorrow's patch. And it's our first feature we're releasing that's in beta. So it's kind of a big deal.
It's a thought that counts.
Damn it!
Yeah, exactly. Hey, Tau V! Thanks for joining us. Nameless
Finally.
Nathan,
I can-
hello.
I can use mesh merging to my advantage to make my computer less of a space heater. Which I
Ah,
think is a bad idea.
it
It's
is-
cold.
It is getting colder.
Send art builds to me, please. I need my room to be warmer.
Ooh, I dig this cheese part of the level. Do like a good cheese.
Well, I shall dip. See
Hi,
you all.
Nick.
But you're gonna dip the cheese?
Maybe.
Just don't cut the cheese.
Ooh, yeah. Please.
Oh, come on! Alright,
feel like
we're
I've
gonna have to go to
already-
another one.
Dealt with enough bodily functions this stream.
Okay, here's the next one. Are we ready?
Yes, we are.